Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to the channel. And let's continue building the best game ever made by me. Okay, so I have improved a few things from the last time off stream, just cleaned a few things. Let's take a look. If I recall correctly, we've ended with trying to select the villager. I've completed that. So now you can do that. Yay. Perfect. You can select the villager. And I've redone the button thingy a little bit. It's not an event, it's an action now. I found it easier to assign the action via the constructor. Where is it? There. Yeah, just doing the button, assigning the action right away. Well, it's not that much of a difference, right? You could do something like this, then on a click. Well, can you? I don't know. This felt like nicer for now. I don't know. Works. That's the important part of it. Okay. Now, today, the next hour, let's say, I would like to do the basic actions. Do we have the... Yeah, that's my excellent drawing. The green parts are like kinda done. Not really, but kinda done. We've got the resource UI. Got the end button. We've got the guys getting cold, dying. Now I want to do some of the basic actions. Those are the tasks that each turn you assign your workers to, villagers. So, yeah. Anything else? Redone maybe something. Done the player class. I think we've done that on stream last time. Yeah. Okay. Get to work. Got my amazing MS Paint ready. Don't worry about that. You'll see some excellent drawing. Okay, so the actions are going to be part of the village, logically, but do we make something like a village class, or is it going to be again part of the player, or is it be a village part of the player, or are we gonna keep it separate? I don't know yet, but I will probably just make it a part of the player for now, just not a village as a whole, but just the action spots. Yeah. Okay, so let's make a new class. I'm thinking about what the name should be. Should be something like workplace or work spot, or I don't know, something like that. Placement spot. I don't know. Let's call it work spot. That's nice. sound to it. What do I copy? What does it need? Something like a... Oh, the button is still... Oh, it's in action. Right. Perfect. Work spot. Oh, I've moved some of the things to the sprite, like the area. So the work spots now is sprite. Gonna need a texture position that is correct. Gonna need the action. That's correct as well. Do we need a... We need... That was some weird noise. Kinda scary. Not sure if you could hear it, but okay. Very scary. The action would like to have an input parameter as a villager. Is this how you do it? Probably, maybe. I think that's how you do it, right? That should be the input parameter. As a method that has a single parameter and does not really... Yeah, that's exactly what we need. It's gonna go... Oh. Yeah. That is correct. How do we... How do I assign the parameter there? It's something I've never used in that way before. Okay, it's time to learn new stuff. I need to tell the... I need the selected villager that I've got there. Okay. Or do I just ignore that? Maybe I just ignore that. I need the actions to be able to see everything, so they should be part of the game manager. The UI manager is doing what? It's also got the game manager access to do everything. So yeah, it's accessing the game manager as well. I think I need to do something like that. Okay, the actions then. Okay, work spot, texture, position, action. As you may have noticed, I have nothing prepared in upfront, as I never do. So enjoy the full journey with me of trying to figure out everything on the spot. Nice. The village or the player will have a list of the work spots. Let's start with that. So yeah, list work spot. Let's call it work spots. Slice. Yeah, like that. Can make this read only. Make this read only. Can make This read only. No. Oh, it's a property. Okay. Why is this not a property? Okay, this should be a property as well. Take that back and can even be like this, right? That. I'm gonna do this like that just to be sure. I think I'm setting the villager inside the loop in the game manager, and that's about it. Is it? Okay. Need to. No, this needs. No, this is okay. It's just a list, right? You can work with the list even though it's read only. It's correct. Okay. Do we set up some? Well. Need a way to add the work spots, definitely. So let's do add work spot, and there's gonna be work spot, something like work spots add exactly work spot. Easy. Okay. Right. There we've got the action. Okay, we need something to be able to create the work spots. So do we do like a work spot factory? Something like we've got this. I don't know. We can try. Okay. I'm gonna draw a first basic one. Let's do, I don't know, 128. 128. Let's do a something like gathering wood. So let's do a like a handle. Nice, very pretty. Like an X. How does a woodcutter's X look? I don't know. Let's do a basic X. Like maybe that. Right. Could be something like this. I don't know. Okay, you can see it's an X, right? I'm gonna save it in there. Let's call it, I don't know. lumberjack or something like that. I don't know. Let's say wood cutting. Wood cutting. Right? Okay, wood cutting. Add it to the content. Is it there? Yeah, cool. How does it look? Perfect. Very pretty. Wood cutting texture. Is it wood cutting? Yeah. This will make a, let's call it create. We need a position. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make some kind of enumeration and do that and stuff, but we can do that later. Work spot, what does it need? Texture, position, action. So texture, position, and the action. We need the game manager reference. Call it GM. Okay. And I want us to do it as a primary. Okay, the action is interesting. Do I have the actions there? Probably. Okay. So wood cutting action. Now this is gonna go there. And we need to set up the action. First of all, if game manager selected villager, it's now, then we just return with nothing. Nothing's happening. No villager is selected. Then we should like check for the age of the villager. The work spot could have like minimal age, maximum age allowed, but yeah, can enhance that later. We need the villager to be like, you can activate each one just once per turn. So we need something like that, like pool activated. Like, maybe like that. And it should show, right? You can do something like public void activate and do that. And this will also, so activated true. let's say the other way is calling ready to ready him up. Yeah. We will also change the colors to show that he's been activated already. Let's do when he's ready, he's gonna just go back to normal. Let's also say well, you could just do deselect, and that's doing that. Okay. No, it's okay. Like this, and when it is activated, we will do something, I don't know, gray with some opacity, say half. Try like that. Okay, and it activates. So where's our factory? There we go. Is the other factory static? No. Great. Gonna add that there. We need this. How come village factory? Yeah. One does not need this. Okay. Then come back to the action. Perfect. GM selected villager. Let's say activate. And GM selected villager is null. Seems we can't do that. Okay. Not super clean, but yeah, I could just make a method to do that, but not to worry. Okay, then it will do something. I'm not checking for the age for now. Yeah, let's just do player. You know, should do something like public void add resource. It's going to be type and the quantity and what's it called? Resource. Oh yeah, resource plus equals quantity. Is that correct? Is this gonna work? Probably should. Okay, let's use that there. Add resources would, let's say 2 for now. It's gonna be different for different kinds of workers and ages and stuff. We can play around. Let's just get the basics going. Let's see that it's working at the bare minimum. We can enhance later. Okay, so we need to create the work spot. There's gonna be some basic starting work spots like this one. Thinking whether it should go. Yeah, does it go there? Where do I create the player? Right, nowhere, just there. Okay. Then let me change this just to not be that confusing. Let's create the factories, then we can create a player. What's it called? Player. That's simple, but now we need to add the work spots, and we've got the work spot factory. Get create work spot. It just needs a position for now. It's gonna always create the wood cutting action. Yeah, I've loaded that already. Perfect. So I need just the position. Okay. Okay. The position's gonna be, I don't know. I'll just place it somewhere in the lower half. That's 921,080. It's like 540. $600. Let's actually market this because that's the middle point, actually, due to the origin being in the middle. Okay, then we need to draw some stuff and update some stuff and all of that. How do I draw the villagers since it's not in there? Am I doing it in the place scene? Yeah. Okay, let's take that. Put it in the... Do I put it in the player? Probably. Why not? Something like public void draw villagers. Okay. Like that. Perfect. Let's take that, put it there. Is that right? Yeah, I think it is. Kind of. Let's do the same for the actions or work spots. Gonna be the same. Work spot. Okay, sounds about right. Perfect. We obviously need something, some updating to be able to click the thingy. Call the on click. Yeah, we're doing it like that. If we clicked in the area, it's doing this. Sure. Let me update one more thing. then we update villager selection because if villager, let's say if villager activated, continue, we will skip the already activated one, so you can't select them again. Okay. But where we need something like this. Oh, it's all, is it? Oh, is it also, we can do the update. Okay, is it working? Yeah, that should be all right. So let's do something like this, but update work spots. If we clicked, well, we've already got the click there, so I guess, oh, it works differently for villagers and for, yeah, I've got no updates there. Got it. That's a slight difference. Do I care? Not necessarily now. So we just need to do this. Yeah. Work spot in. Should I put it in there? Nah. Well, I've got the draw. I could have the update, right? Okay. Makes more sense. Let's just do this. We don't need that. Oh. If I... Oh, I've deleted the wrong one. Perfect. This one. And that is it all. So this should catch the update of it being click action, blah blah blah. Let me check once again the action, because the crucial thing is to deselect that. Yeah, might work. If I call the draw, yeah, let's give it a go. Oh, too high. So if we select and we've got 4, well, we should have 6. We should have 6. Oh, wow, it works. There's one more thing that I'm not doing, and ending the turn should reactivate, or I mean like ready everyone. But yeah, got a protection. You can collect wood. Now you can't do it again. No one selected, it's doing nothing. Perfect. Great. So let's update the end turn, which is somewhere probably there. Where are you? End turn. We need, yeah, everyone grows older. Also, everyone will ready. Should have moved this. Okay, we select this one. Perfect. We end turn. Everyone's ready again. Yay. Nice. Okay, so that's the first action. That's the very minimum bare bones. We need to refactor a lot of things now. So let's actually make a second action. Yeah, we need like something similar, but I don't want to draw this again, so let me just... Can I do something like this? Let's do a typical pickaxe for mining stone. Like... Ah, nice. Very pretty. This is, by the way, the final graphics. It's gonna look exactly like that. To be more on authentic. Okay, that's a pickaxe. Let me save that again. Was it stone cutting? Mine stone, stone mine, mine stoning, stone mining, mine. Is this how it's spelled? Stone mining. I don't know. Looks weird, but might be alright. Let's edit. Stone mining. Hopefully that's correct. I don't know. Okay. The other thing that's connected with that, we need to probably make an enum. Something like work spots. Should it be like lowercase? It makes more sense. Maybe, I don't know. Well, it's an interesting language that I can't decode. Sorry. Okay. So we've got a wood cutting, stone mining. Okay, it's the two kinda want. So let's get back to the factory. The texture's gonna be a dictionary. And this is work spots. Work spots textures. Add work spots, wood cutting, stone mining. Is it like that? I never know. Where are you? Stone mining, probably. Hello, Abdul. Hello. Video editing. Do you want to be my video editor? It's my biggest pain. I don't have time for that, but I'm doing lives only now. Create work spot. So we need a type of the thingy. Work spots. Work spot. Like that. The texture's gonna be this and that. We need something to do with the actions. Probably the similar thing. Something like this, and it's gonna be action. Work spot actions. Actions. So that wood cutting is gonna be wood cutting action. Who would have thought? Let's copy this and stone mining. Let's rename this to capital C, and this is gonna produce. Let's make it different. One stone only. It's gonna be there. Stone mining. And we need this there as well. Okay. Yeah. Oh, might work. Great work spot. We wanted to place it lower, like way lower. Like that's not way low. That's okay. Work spots, wood cutting, stone mining. Let's move it a bit to the right. I think it's 128. Let's like 350. And should be all. Easy as that. Or not. This usually means I've got a typo in the somewhere. Stone mining. Stone mining, blah blah blah. We need to do this. Dictionary is not initialized. Okay. Let's create more guys, more guys, more guys. You are gonna collect a stone. Perfect. You look like a lumberjack. Yay. Okay. So I think we are almost ready for a release. Everyone's rested. 10 years older. Okay. Perfect. Works like a charm. So I could obviously do something similar for the other resources, but that's boring. I'm gonna keep that for myself. Now, any other? Do that with paint. Okay. So let's say we got some of no, what happened there? Some of the basic actions done. The monsters. That could be. What's the time? You've got a few minutes left. Do we want to start with the... No. It's too complex. Yeah, we can... We'd like to see the ages of each one. And limit the actions per age. Okay. So, work spot, let's say. How do we call the actions? I forgot. It's somewhere in there, right? We're just updating stuff. Update work spots. Update. If we click on this, yes. I want to do some like minimum maximum allowed age, but for this to work, I could do it like the dumb way and just do it inside each action separately, duplicate it. That's why I'm thinking so hard now, because that's not something I would like to do. We take a look again. Yeah, that's why I don't like this on a click. No, that's what yeah, that's what I do like, but not this update. Or do I? I don't know. With the villagers, I'm doing it slightly differently. Don't have any updates there. But I've moved it to like there. I'm checking from the outside, looking at each. If we clicked it, because I wanted to set the selected villager, which is outside of the class, obviously, part of the game manager. That's why I don't want to do it inside the class itself, inside the update. because it's too restricting. I might do it like that after all. That's the work spot, right? Because this would open up possibilities fairly. Yeah. And we're just calling select. Yes, let's do it like that. Let's just do public void, I don't know, activate as well. This is gonna do this. I don't need the other things. Let's do it like so. Like that. We don't need that. So if we clicked, kind of, yeah, work spot and player work spots. If no, this, if the area is blah blah blah. Yeah, this also enables to do. I don't have to check for that each time because I'm gonna do like that. Do it there. Just once. So if selected villager is now, let's say return. Okay, we don't have to worry about that now. No. Well, this can stay there. Can this stay there? Yeah. We can click only on one thing at once. Makes sense. Okay, then we need to do work spot activate, actually. Whatever else we were doing in there, which I forgot. Or maybe not. I need to sneeze pretty soon, so don't be frightened when it comes. I don't have to do this as well, right? This is just silly to do it in each action. Because the action is actually just this. This is what's important. Do that there just once. Now, if I can press the correct buttons. Is this correct? We activate the work spot. We activate the selected villager. We deassign. Is that a word? Don't need this. Yeah, that looks a lot cleaner. And now, why I'm doing this is we can do something like. Do I want this? Yeah. Say minim. Let's call it just min h. Max h. Should this be a property as well? Probably. And when checking this, can do that there. If selected villager age is lower than work spot min age, or the other way around, selected villager age is higher than max age. Let me just return again. Do nothing. No, not return. We need to continue, right? Check the I guess it does not matter which we check first, if the mouse position or the age is. It's yeah, this could be faster. So this covers the age, but we are not setting up the ages. It could be part of that. Which is this. Should obviously be there. Okay. And we would have to, I need to set up some structure for the work spots. Like work spot data, I don't know, work spot data. Do I need? Not. I'm gonna keep the actions there, so they are here. But everything else I can do something like texture and the ages for now, right? So let's do work spot data, work spots data. We need this texture. Is that correct? Not the position or the action, like that. Maybe we can convert it, okay. So we like that. Okay. Now we need to create those. So this is expecting that, right? Is this correct? That's the wrong name. Then we need the, okay, texture, min age, max age. For the wood cutting, let's say 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say, yeah, that's okay. I think the actions are gonna need to know about, yeah, it already does. Not the cleanest, but okay. All right, I can fix that later. Is that so? Okay, let's say if you are too old, you can't break stone. We need this, we need the texture there. Then we need the ages. Like min age, max age. Okay, cool. This should work. So again, mine stone till the age of 4. Wood 2 to 5. If I use that in the logic, yes. Let's see. So he should not be able to do anything. Okay. Okay. So this one, sure. Perfect. Yeah, I need to deselect at the, hello, Diamond Jaccoon. Need to deselect the selected ones internally. This is H3, 4. They should still be able to do both. Now this one shouldn't be able to mine, but he can still cut. Okay, works. Perfect. Let me fix that one thing in the end turn logic. Like selected villager is no one. Okay. I think we've done what we've came for today. Got our guys. Got our first 2 basic actions. Chopping wood, mining stone. Babies can't do anything. And it's working and pretty flexible now to add other actions easily and quickly. Okay. Great progress, guys. Again, let me know in the comments how would you improve the game, what the other things we should add, what can we add, what it should be. I've got my plan, but I will gladly adjust to your liking. And I'll see you soon. I find your programming skills so fascinating. Thank you. I don't. It's really mediocre. But I'm trying. This is all just to practice and keep in touch with the time. The whole industry is moving forward so fast. By the way, new version of .NET should release soon, right? Around the corner. Looking forward to that. Trying out the new stuff. That's always exciting. Okay. Stay tuned. Subscribe so you can keep following my new game. Going well so far. I'm proud. It's okay. Yes, it's very much playable. You can like select the guy and have him mine stone, or you can select a guy and have him chop wood, and you'll get 2 wood, and then they all perish of age. That's what we've done. I think this is like 3 hours work so far, so don't judge. It's gonna be great soon. Stay in touch. Okay, have a nice rest of the evening for me. Have a nice rest of the day for you, if it's maybe morning. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.